So you want to share NIH data? Congratulations, you came to the right place. Before you begin, have you ever shared data with ICPSR? If not, you'll want to check out an overview of how to use ICPSR's online data deposit system before you begin. This page lists the steps you will need to complete to successfully deposit data with ICPSR. Step 1. Identify data fit. ICPSR accepts a wide range of data. Not sure if it fits? You can check out the Collection Development Policy, also known as What Data Does ICPSR Accept? You can browse the different subject-specific archives at ICPSR to see what data lives where, and you can email our help desk. They're very friendly. Step 2. Register your planned data collection with ICPSR. To do this, simply fill out the registration form to alert ICPSR about your planned data collection. During registration, you can request a cost estimate for ICPSR's services if needed. We also offer some tools to make it easier. For instance, we offer a pre-filled form that you can use to designate ICPSR as the repository for your data, with copy-paste language already written for you. We offer on-demand webinars with tips for navigating NIH DMS plans. Of course, if you have any questions in the process, you can email our help desk. And one hint, ICPSR hosts several NIH-funded data repositories, which offer free services. Step 3. Prepare your data for submission. Want to know how to standardize and submit your data? Who doesn't? We have resources for you. The depositor checklist provides a list of items to consider when preparing your data. FAQs can be found on our Start Deposit page. And we offer a guide for sharing qualitative data, as well as a full, in-depth ICPSR guide to social science data preparation and archiving for anyone who really wants to get into the details. And as always, you can email our help desk. Step 4, the last step, is to submit your data. It's that easy. Congratulations! You are one step closer to sharing your data.